You're looking at a 2020 Chevy Bolt EV, all electric LT with 28,000 miles. Comes loaded. ABS traction, stability control, parking sensors, alloy wheels, keyless entry, blind spot monitors. Has a brand new battery. It's replaced under recall. Car's in excellent shape. It also has the CCS fast charge port. It does come with a charger with the certified battery update. It's also got the blind spot monitors. Blue exterior, gray cloth interior. The numbers right there. Car's in excellent shape. Gets about 270 miles or so at 100% charge. It's got a brand new warranty for the battery, backup camera, heated seats, Android Auto, Apple Carplay, heated steering wheel, Bluetooth, cruise control. Exact mileage is 28,858. It's a nice clean car, full charger. This is a loaded LT model. In excellent shape. If you're interested, please give us a call. Phone number is 508-921-0301. And this vehicle does qualify for the Massachusetts Mor-EV rebate and the IRS tax rebate credit. Again, if you're interested, 508-921-0301. Thank you.